Hello, assalamualaikum, what's up? Welcome to another new vlog of Tawfiq's Things, guys. I was really getting sick and tired of making all those vertical videos, but I guess those are perfect fit for Facebook and TikTok. And today's video is gonna be a really short and quick one because it's all about how to make a perfect cup of latte. The one which is perfect to me might not be perfect to you, but I wanna share my recipe. And today, what we're using is just like cafetiere here and a water heater kettle, and there you go, our Davidoff instant coffee. Here is a disclaimer about today's video. Today's video is gonna be all in English, and maybe I'll get criticized about this one, but I don't bother much since I'm circumcised. Well, that's not a good joke, but the thing is, since it's a how-to video, I believe this can also help all the people out there who are also not like Bengali speaking people. And since there are a huge amount of coffee lovers like me and caffeine addicts, and I believe this gonna help them as well. So let's not talk much about it, let's get into our latte making, and it's gonna be a real easy one. Well, if you like to make it like I do, the one which is perfect for me, it's gonna be real simple because I like to make things simple and easy. What you need to have is one of this cafetiere, which might cost you like 450 to 650 in New Market, or you can also get it at Garage. I got it in the last lockdown, but yeah, it's like gonna last for this lifetime, I guess. And this water heater, or you can also have boiled water or like steamed milk and your gas stove as well. And what I love about this Davidoff coffee is like the aroma. This one is fine aroma and it's really a great one. There is one thing, you cannot really make latte without milk, so first things first, we're gonna have some milk. And today we're using dust milk here, and you can also use liquid milk. So what we got in our cafetiere is some powdered milk and some coffee mate. I would recommend 1 spoon of milk and 1 spoon of coffee mate, that would do. And we're gonna have some water in our kettle. Now put it on the heater and let it boil for 30 seconds. Oops, here I got a bit overwhelmed and I was just grooving with my 90s hip hop bits, and let's see, our water is ready here. See, the light is peeping and our water is goddamn boiling hot. So now I'm gonna pour the boiling water in our cafetiere. That much of water would be enough, I guess, and let's just close it just like this. Since we're using powder coffee, what I mean by powder coffee is the instant coffee. We don't need to brew the coffee in the cafetiere, and we're just gonna make the espresso by putting the coffee in the cup and mixing it with boiling water. What we're gonna do here is that we're gonna take 2 spoons of coffee. 2 spoons would be enough. And now we're gonna put some of the coffee in the cafetiere as well, just to have that flavor, have that extra added flavor of coffee. To make the perfect espresso, what you're gonna do is we're gonna pour that amount of water. You see, one thing, I'm not a professional barista. What I do is I take as much water as I think is perfect. So here we go, our espresso is ready without even having a $500 espresso machine, which is good. I wouldn't definitely say that I am one of those caffeine addicts, but I also need 5 to 6 cups of coffee a day in winter, and when I'm gonna call you for coffee, I'm gonna only have coffee with you and do nothing else. So yeah, I'm definitely a coffee lover, so I took some generous amount of coffee in here, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the punch and push the milk as much as we can. Keep pushing it as much as you want, because you want the milk to become very smooth, frothy, and at the same time like silky. See, when you are at this stage, you will start smelling something tasty and stir it as much as possible, because you wouldn't love to have those bubbles. You want it frothy but no bubbles on top. I'm not your professional barista, but what I can do is that I can provide you some good latte without making you spending a hell lot of money. And what we got here is our milk ready with some little amount of coffee. Now we're gonna pour it into our espresso, and believe me, it's already smelling good. Now comes the difficult part, because I'm not professional and I won't be able to make a heart-shaped design, but here we go. I can make your latte ready for you. Our latte is ready, and I'm sorry it's a bit more bubbly than it should have been, but since I was making this video and making this latte at the same time, I couldn't make it the perfect what I love. Sorry guys, one thing that I forgot to mention while making this latte is that if you are a sugar person, you like sugar in your coffee, then while making latte, put it in your espresso. Put the sugar in your espresso and not in your milk, because if you put the sugar in your milk, it's gonna thin up the milk and it's not gonna taste very silky and smooth. So I'm not a sugar person here. I'm not gonna use sugar in my coffee and make it taste like some other fancy drink that I don't know what to call. So cheers, have your cup of latte, enjoy. I hope you liked this video and it helped you somehow.